Good. Just look at this woman. This is a woman that I featured before, where I featured in a video earlier on, about a couple months ago, weeks ago, when I was saying the struggle is real and the madman I push her out of the road. A madman. When I said a madman, I mean a real mentally ill person. I push her out of the road. This is she. She only have 1 foot, my people. 1 foot. Right? And she can't push the wheelchair forward. She have to be pushing the wheelchair backward with her 1 foot. You understand? Okay. I get up to pick up to go and pick up something on the road about 20 minutes to 2 o'clock. Yeah. About 20 minutes to 2 I get up to go and pick up something on the road. When I look further down the road, because this is the top of the road, when I look further down the road, I see the woman coming up and the place bleaky, the sky is black. So, you know rain are gonna fall. Then I end up, before I could go into the car, I end up see the car. Then the rain start to drool a little bit. And this woman don't turn back and go home. Just watch her. Despite the struggle is real, my people. This woman coming like she don't sorry for herself. Because if she even have to go out there and find a plate of food for herself or find a dinner, this is not the time. She's not out there before the rain. You understand? She comes out after the rain. And look at the woman. A struggle. Just look at her now, my people. Look at her, a struggle. See her? Struggle, my people. Yes, I might not know her, know much why she have to be on the road, but I know she don't live this side. It's the other side where she coming from, she live. So I'm saying, if the sky black up like that, you see rain and fall. I mean, know the sky must be black before you leave your home. And you know that you don't have that strength and stuff. See that? She can't even push now, you know, she have to use the 1 foot and draw the chair. Struggle is real, but at the same time, you got to protect yourself. Yeah, you got to protect yourself, man. No matter the struggle, man. And sometimes, you know, you see some people that want to be sorry for them, but when you check the levels, them don't sorry for themselves. You see me? Because me have helped her out of the road more than one time, you know. I think one time when they are due to one of the time I push her and I want shelter down the road, this up on the other road. Well, I tell you, rain a fall now, people see it. You have to wipe the glass and the rain that do my that. Yeah, trust me, I tell you, people. And this is why we say sometimes we must brag on things we have. Yeah, sometimes we have things in our life and we get up and we brag. Sometimes we're arty and strong and we brag and we show off on people and we wish people bad. And then in the long run we never know what will happen. Look at that woman, 1 foot. And in the rain, my people. You understand what I say? In the rain. And then, Father God, may I tell you, struggle is real, but may I beg you, just guide and protect me and cover me under the blood. Me and my kids them from all the enemies, you know, and all the bad wishers, people. You see me? You never know what life will be. Sometimes we see some of these people outside on the road, and you know, we might say, where's them family? We might say, boy, you know, if them have to be out or them not have nobody or whatsoever. Sometimes, some of these people, you know, honestly, cause I have come across a few of these people who don't like kids. Yeah, some of them don't like kids. Some of them don't get no kids. And because them don't get no kids, them just don't like kids and a whole. Some of them get kids but just not like picnic and a whole. You understand? Some of them do some terrible things in them early days, them young days. And as with people that say karma, I don't know what that is, but in my terminology, you know, your bad deeds paying off. You understand? Trust me, man, trust me. It not look good. But I just say, we see them on road sometime and we're sorry for them, but it's more to them life, you know? Yeah, it's more to where them are go through right now. To where them are come from. Sometimes some of these people have done some horrible things. Not saying she know, you know. But as me say, sometimes we see some of these people out the road and we intend to sorry for them. And if we can buck up on people who know them history and know the whole situation with them, and them sit down and hold a reason with it, would have shocked, would have surprised to hear some horrible things that they have done back in them early days. But you know, judge no one, Father God are the man for do all of that. So I just want to know my people to just take note of them things here, you know. It's not every day we're going to have health and strength. You understand? And it's not every day thing is going to be okay. And sometimes when we have a little and we have little food, we forgive thanks. And we must come and brag and boast upon people what we have from what we don't have. Because there can be times when all of what you have, you lose it in a split second and can probably end up like this woman. This is how this woman go on the road every day. Every day. She take all half an hour to reach from the bottom of the road to the top of the road, when me could have walked the slowest pace and reach the top and the bottom of the road all 20 times. When I see her a while ago, I go all the way to Walton Park and Mullines Road and pass her. And when I come back, she just about to reach up to the middle of the road. When the rain start tear and I leave and go somewhere else again off Olympic Way and come back, come see her struggling in the rain here, so. Life is a mission, people. Just continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel, you know. Tell a friend to tell a friend, you know. Give another viewer go up the road, you know. On the main road now with water, good all cars splash her up and all them something there. Alright, my people. See it there? I don't know, it's coming like a motorist stop and gear an umbrella. See it there, she not reach nowhere from the corner. See that right there? Nowhere she not reach from the corner. Nowhere. See her there? Somebody sit the umbrella, me have to hand my people. Rain a tear. And somebody seems to stop and give her an umbrella because she never have that umbrella before. Because if she did have that umbrella before, she should have been using it from me to come out and see her till my left go where me I go and come back. See her my people. Someone just stop sorry for her and give her that umbrella. I can't say if she have any family member or what, but it not look good. See the water upon the road, my people. This is a road with a lot of water run upon. Coming off Mullines Road and all the off-road them. This is the main road that the water channel through when rain fall. See how there? Sooner or later somebody going to splash her. I want to hope them see her before them splash her. Life is a mission, people. Just thanks for watching, you know. These are things that grieve me, you know. But as I say, we can't grieve sometime about some of these people because we don't know the horrible things that they have done before. And probably there's a lot of people who is in, you know, certain state where she leave them into. So, we'll leave it here, so. Thanks for watching, my people.